With schools now closed for the summer, the police are raising concern about an increase in reports of missing children and risky behavior among minors. As Sandy Williams reports, they're urging parents to put supervision systems in place this summer to keep children safe and accounted for.
As classrooms fall silent for the summer, a different concern is growing louder for law enforcement. Children left unsupervised and increasingly at risk.
School is out now, and from assessment, from analysis, what is happening is that during this time period, we're having issues with children. Issues where children are being reported missing, right? Issues where children engage in deviant behavior. One of the main reasons we realize is that parents are out to work during this time because during school hours, students will be in school.
The Clarendon police say many of these cases are not what they initially seem.
Some of the missing person reports, we have to log them as missing, but they are in contact because they probably leave and gone to stay with a friend, not wanting the family member to know where they are, but they still are reported as missing because they are missing from their home.
Still, officers stress that once a child cannot be accounted for, the situation becomes serious, stretching already limited resources and raising alarm. The police are urging parents and guardians to take extra precautions.
If it is that you have to leave for work, don't leave your children unsupervised. Have them go to a family member that can care for them, that can supervise. It's a challenge during this time of the year because now we have school out and students are unsupervised.
According to the police, beyond mischief and disobedience, there is a far more serious threat.
We have a lot of creatures out there, persons that are preying upon the children, I'll tell you that. We have persons that are preying on these children, right? And they seek every opportunity to prey on them.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.